Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use VBA code in Microsoft Excel to create sheets and name them based on a list of values. Recording a macro is a tedious manual work. So writing a VBA code to create the sheets seems to be a viable and a neat method to do the job. So here I use a short list and the top 10 countries having most Olympic Summer Games 2024 winners, gold, silver, and bronze. Here's the rank, country, and how many golds, silver, bronze, and here's the total. So this is I name this list here a master, or you can name it whatever you like. Then type in the values over here to be used to name the newly created sheets later on, and make sure that the list over here is actually going to be in this range here. It's actually B5 to B14. So this range of cells will vary based on where you want a macro to work on, right? And how many values are on the list. So for instance, if you have, let's say, more than 10 values, so you want to be sure that you change the list all the way to cover all your values. Then, very importantly, I need to have another sheet called template. It's actually, there's nothing in there, but this template sheet is used as a template for the macro to copy and create the new sheets. So now here, let's go to writing the VBA code. Now go to the ribbon right here and click on developer. Then over here there's a Visual Basic window. You click on the window, or you could use a shortcut. For example, shortcut for this one to open up the Visual Basic window is Alt plus F11 for Windows, or function plus Opt plus F11 for Mac. Now, this shortcut may not work if you have other programs installed on your computer, i.e. GeForce Experience or others programs using the same shortcut. So using the ribbon developer here to open up the Visual Basic window is for sure it's gonna work. For those of you who may not see or may not have this developer here on the ribbon, one easy way to do is that you go to File, and then you scroll down all the way down to Options, where you can see here, for example, Customize Ribbon. Right now, here are the popular commands that you can move it to the right, from left to right. When you move it, you add it there. So in my screen over here in my computer, I already added the developer command over here. Now, if you don't want it, you can just click remove, then it's gonna move it back to the left hand side. So let's take a look at the code over here. I have a sheet here that I already type in all the code here. So you can just kind of refer this. You just copy and paste the code into your window here. After you open up the Visual Basic window, you can see that this side over here under general is blank. So all you need to do is either copy or paste the code here or type it in here. Now, one thing you got to make sure is that here your range, you need to change it if you move it, right? So I showed you earlier that my list is in the range of B5 to B14. Then another thing that I want to point out is that the code here also has hyperlinks down here, so that, and I will show you later on, after you created the sheets, your list will have hyperlinks for each sheet to take you to the sheet that you wanted to. So, okay, let's go back here, master. Go to Visual Basic, I already showed you. Now click on macro. Your macro name is going to be the same as your Visual Basic on top where you have a title, sub, and it's called Create Worksheets, right? So I click on Run. And you can see here, down here, all the sheets created, right? From USA #1 to Republic of Korea. Now let's go back to your master sheet, and I can see that this over here already has hyperlinks. So I could do, for example, I click on Japan, and voila, I'm on the Japan sheet, right? So go back to the master, and that's kind of pretty much the create sheets macro will do for you. So this wraps up my presentation, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned to more videos. My YouTube channel is over here is actually Easy Win. Thank you for watching, and bye now.